So traveling for fun and traveling to get a surgery done or to get a treatment done are two different things. So when you're traveling to do a surgery in a different city or in a different country, then you must know certain things. Hello friends, I'm Dr. Pankaj Valecha and I'm a hip and knee replacement surgeon in New Delhi, India. And in last 20 years, I have helped more than 4,000 hip and knee patients in getting back to their normal lives. Let's understand in this video what all you should not miss when you are packing your bags for a surgery in a different city. Then first and foremost is your medical documents, which means your x-rays, your MRI, your prescription of the doctor and other investigations which are related to your surgical procedure. That's most important to carry with you. And the second most important thing are your insurance documents. Along with your insurance documents, you should carry your PAN card, your AADHAR card and your ID proof also, because you may need it on different occasions at the time of your admission or while booking a hotel outside the hospital. And that brings me to the third point, which is booking a hotel near the hospital. So you identify a few hotels which are good and which fit your budget and you pre-book them, because before the admission into the hospital, you may need to stay in the city for a day or two. Because generally when a patient comes for surgery, you have to stay for a day or two in the city before you get admitted, because we are doing your investigations, because you are being checked by the physician, by the anesthesia team, and generally those 2-3 days you have to have a place where you can stay. If you know somebody in the city, then wonderful. If you don't, then it is a good idea to book a hotel near the hospital so that you can come and go easily. And for that, my team helps you and handholds you in identifying those hotels. And that brings me to the point number 4, because if you have to do some hotel bookings, if you have to sometimes buy some things which you realize that you need it at the time of admission or during your stay, then you should carry some money, your ATM card and your credit card. They all should be functional so that you do not face any hassle in a new city. That brings me to the point number 5, that what are the general items you should carry with you when you are going to a hospital for a surgery. Generally, I've seen people are comfortable with their own blankets and their own pillows. Some people don't like hard pillows, some people don't like soft pillows, and if it is easy for you, then you carry them along. Some people are very hygienic and they don't like to use the blankets of the hospital, so you can carry your own blanket while you are staying in the hospital. Besides that, it's a good idea to carry some loose clothes with you. Generally, the hospitals provide you gowns which you wear during your stay. So boys can have boxer shorts or some bermudas to wear, and girls could also have some loose pajamas or shorts, which makes it very easy for them to do physiotherapy and to walk around to the washroom, and they are not all the time bothered about covering their private parts. And one more thing I would like to mention, which is very relevant in today's times, that is carrying an extension cord. So you will see most of the hospitals will provide you one plug to charge your mobile or to charge your laptop or to use it for some other reason. So if you have an extension cord, you can have multiple points. You can charge your phone, charge your laptop and other things. I have a lot of patients who are traveling from different cities and who are working with multinational companies, and from next morning onwards after their hip or knee replacement surgery, they are in a position to join a meeting or a con call or a Zoom call for their office work. And if you have multiple points, then you can work on different gadgets from the next day of the surgery. So that is one very important thing which we realize in our last 1 or 2 years of journey. On number 6, I'm going to tell you some specific items for females. So 3 are very important. One is carrying wet wipes, because mostly hospitals provide dry tissues and most of the girls like to use wet wipes. You can also carry your sanitary pads, although they are available in the nearby pharmacy, but that saves you from the hassle of going and buying a sanitary pad which may not be the sanitary pad of your choice. And third is the skincare lotion. So when you are staying in the hospital for 3-4 days, you can continue to do your skincare. You may feel very dry, and people who are in a daily routine of using skincare products, they like to use it when they're in the hospital also. So you can carry that also along with your other items. And one very special advice for females who like to wear jewelry: you should keep your jewelry at home, especially the precious one, because it is difficult to take care of it in the hospital. And if you are wearing some jewelry which is not very precious, then also you will be asked to remove it when you go for an X-ray or you go for an MRI or when you are being shifted to the operation theatre. So it's a good idea to leave them at home for those 4-5 days. And the 7th point is for my international patients who come from other countries to get themselves operated in Delhi. So you should remember to carry your passport to the hospital along with your valid visa. along with your insurance, which is the travel insurance, and also all the relevant documents related to your surgery or your condition. So friends, that was a quick look at the items or the things you need to take care before you go to another city or another country for doing your surgery. I hope you found this video useful, and if there is anything which I have missed, then please let me know in the comment section and we will try to include it in our coming videos. Thank you so much for watching.